Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing for Loot Anime. Wait, something's not right here. The box is already inside out. Well, as I was saying, this is for Loot Anime for the month of 2017. And honestly, there was some technical difficulty and the beginning of my video got chopped off. So here's me redoing the intro. This month's theme is Survive, and things hinted towards this time around are Death Note, Black Clover, Naruto Shippuden, and Deadman Wonderland. Now, since then, since unboxing this video as an update, I have actually watched the first episode of Black Clover, and just like with My Hero Academia, I have started reading the manga because of that. And beforehand, I had never heard of it. I did also a couple other notes. I'm still not a big fan of Death Note. I don't hate it. It's just kind of like it feels contrived. Deadman Wonderland. I have never watched the entire anime, but I have read the entire manga. And Naruto Shippuden, I like, but I feel that towards the end it was dragging on with its pace, and I don't understand why they halfway through started calling it something different, because none of the other big three Sojin Jumps did that. So with that, let's get to the, well, rest of the original video. Enjoy. So here we go. Well, right off the bat, speaking of Deadman Wonderland, there's the two main characters. I don't remember their names. I have trouble with American names enough as is, remembering them, so, yeah, I don't remember the names of most characters in most shows, regardless of where it comes from. But regardless, here they are, the protagonist, and, the male protagonist, and the female protagonist. I'm assuming it says in Japanese, Deadman Wonderland down there. I actually have it off to the side. If you give me a moment. Yes, I believe it does. Nothing on the back, just black shirt. Very nice, actually. Red on black. Always like that color combination. Next, we've got the first manga of Black Clover. No, I have not read or watched this, but I believe it is something that's caught my eye, and I just never had the time to. But now I have a copy. I can always take a look at it. Awesome. Let's see here. Atash is a young boy who dreams of becoming a great mage in the kingdom. Only one problem. He can't use magic. Yep, definitely heard of this. Luckily for Atash, or Astash, A-S-T-A. Again, I'm horrible with names. He receives the incredibly rare 5-leaf clover grimoire that gives him the power of anti-magic? Can someone who can't use magic really become the Wizard King? One thing's for sure, Ash will never give up. It's not Sojin Jump. That sounds like a Sojin Jump story. Like, definitely sounds a lot like Naruto. Speaking of Naruto, it's Sasuke. This actually looks really nice. Figurine of Sasuke, how he appears pretty much throughout all of Shippuden. His look never changes unless you count the alternate forms that exist, but really, I mean, like, the baseline form doesn't change. I forget, does he become one of those? No, I don't think he does. I don't really think he gains the regardless, he keeps the same look for the most part. And then everything else is just shrouded in purple. Alright, does this one have to be put together? Well, apparently it has to be broken apart more first. I appreciate the bubble wrap inside and stuff, but the tape just gets in the way of this. The tape inside just gets in the way. Oh, yeah, that's... I don't think so. What? Bubble wrap! Oh no, he's full in one piece. We've got the sword on its own little piece of cardboard. A triangular stand. Cool. Wonder if it's designed to neatly fit next to the Naruto one. If there is, assuming there is one.
and then Sasuke himself, all in one piece, by the looks of it. This is before he loses his arm. Spoilers. This sword felt like it was going to break for a second. Probably should go this way. So, assembly required, but minimal. Very nice. We've got Gintama right here from the last box, so he's a little bit larger, but he did require assembly. Yay, more samurai characters, or ninjas, really, but fights with a katana. Yes, there is more. Socks from Death Note. Ooh, I didn't look at that side before putting it up to the camera. That's one of the characters I actually don't dislike from the series. Yes, again, I've said it in the past, I'm not a big fan of Death Note. I don't inherently hate it from concept or anything. I feel that the execution of the story itself was not that good and very contrived. And we've got the pin, the other boxes are pins. I do this all the time. The phone charm, which looks to be a wood engraved image that I can't entirely tell. I'll probably get some clarification in the poster, which is what's up next. Grumpy Grump. That looks awesome already, though. I'm really glad that they didn't put Battle Royale in here. Battle Royale is another one of those. This doesn't make sense. Although this image definitely reminds me of Battle Royale, which is why I mentioned it. Let's see here. The charm is Yumi survive phone charm. Oh, wow. Wow, okay, yeah. On here, you can see it a lot clearer. So I don't know if I got a dud version or if I just didn't take a good enough look at it. Oh, no, I can see it now. It's definitely a lot easier to understand once you know what you're looking at. Come on, I don't care. But I believe I got everything else right. Yep, didn't miss anything else. Cool. Whether it's grueling, training, epic battle, those are facing the... Okay, cool. Apparently they've got a little line on here, too, this time. Or they always have, and I just never noticed it. I'm kind of oblivious to things they don't move. And in the box this time, I'm going to actually enjoy it, because this looks kind of cool and could make for a really good prop for a costume. Yes, the box itself, and it's not a companion cube. I would hope it's not. I don't want to see an anime GLaDOS. Okay, I know I kind of do, but I don't want the psychological backlash for dealing with an anime GLaDOS. It wouldn't be my own, it'd be others. I'd be perfectly fine with it. It's a red kit! I like this one. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, if you did, feel free to press that like button. If you think somebody else will, feel free to share the video. Oh, also, if you didn't like it, please press the dislike button. But also, more importantly, please try to leave a constructive comment as to why. Also, feel free to comment in general. And if you want to see more on this channel, be it other unboxing videos, my in-depth board game videos, or my painting videos and other things, feel free to subscribe. Regardless, have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.